celebrate Blue Day. See, I've got a blue balloon for you. My blue balloon flies up to the sky. I jump up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it. Why? Oops, I lost my balloon. Now what? Never mind. I have many other things to show you that are blue in color. Children, do you know what is the color of the sky? The sky is blue in color. See, over here also we have a beautiful sky. And what is falling from it? The raindrops. Here, the raindrops are also blue in color. Do you like to go outside in the rain? I love to. And so does she. She is out in the rain wearing her blue dress. And to protect herself from the rain, she is also wearing a blue raincoat. See, she is wearing a blue raincoat. And did you notice one more thing? She has a blue color paper boat in her hand, which she will float in the puddles. You can also see blue birds and butterflies outside. So, these were the things that we see outside. But there are some more things that we see inside the house. Do you want to know that? See, this is a blue shirt and a blue pant. But does this complete our attire? No. To complete, we need to wear shoes. So here are a pair of blue color shoes. This will complete our attire. Children, you know there is a beautiful blue color vase in my house. Have a look. This is a blue color vase. And in it, there are blue flowers. Do you know what is the name of this flower? This is tulip. This tulip is blue in color. So children, by now we got to know a blue color flower. But do you have any idea? Any blue color animal? See, over here there is a dolphin. Dolphin is blue in color. It is very friendly and it loves to play with ball. So the blue colored dolphin is playing with its blue colored ball. So by now we got to know so many things that are blue in color. Now let us do a rhyme. Okay? Blue, blue all around. So many things where blue is found. Blueberries and the blue, blue sky. Bluebirds and the blue butterfly. So children, now we know so many things that were blue in color. Today we got to know about the color blue. Thank you.
I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel.